Bitcoin could be about to crash 20 or 30%. I wish I was joking, but the way that the markets have changed right now in the last 48 hours, I want to show you this pattern. So as you can see by the chart up above, this is a daily chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is back at 117,000. After just 2 days ago, we were at new all-time highs at 124,000. The problem is, when those new all-time highs were made, as you can see over here on the right, that means we swept the previous high just by a little bit and then came back down below. And that often happens. Some people will call it a bull trap. Other people just call it a liquidity sweep. It basically took the highs. It baited everyone into FOMO along the top thinking we're going higher. It took out everyone's short stops who was short over here. And now it dropped all the way back below. There is also a bearish RSI divergence, meaning the RSI did not confirm the new all-time high and it made a lower high. And as you can see very clearly, it actually did this the previous time when the price of Bitcoin dropped from 109,000 all the way down to 74,000. The same exact setup. Bearish RSI divergence that we have over here. A drop back below, a liquidity sweep, and that is what followed. So this setup at this point in time looks very, very similar, and I want to bring this to your attention right now so that you have this information to help you make better decisions for your own trades, investments, long-term, short-term. Look, this stuff, we're talking about the immediate short-term here for the next couple of weeks. We're also heading into August and September, in which historically either August or September in the entire history since 2013, we have had at least either of those months be red. So unless this turns around really quickly and the bears step in and push us back above 120,000, especially seeing we're in a Friday now, closing up the normal traditional finance world, which is going to close at the end of Friday, then we have the weekend. We're going to have to wait and see what happens here, but this is a potentially dangerous pattern that could lead to a larger sell-off in the short term. And if Bitcoin is going to sell off 20 or 30%, unfortunately, that probably means that altcoins are also going to sell off. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this something to be concerned about? Do you think we go higher? Do you think we do sell off indeed, like this pattern is suggesting? Leave a comment down below.